Students, beginning Monday after we get back from Thanksgiving break, there will be some more changes to our route to how we will be getting to and from the modular building, the Epic building, the main gym as we move forward. So no longer will we be able to use this walkway here as it will be closed, as they will be demolishing this building here shortly. So the route you're going to have to take is going to have to come actually through the back area here by the cafeteria. And you're going to come through, and there'll be a new ramp that you'll see that will actually walk you directly to the modular. If you're going to the old gym or Epic, you'll go out the 2-story and work your way coming from there. So again, starting Monday when we come back from Thanksgiving break, this area will no longer be available as they'll be tearing down this building. You'll have to again come out by the cafeteria exit, go around, and go down this new pathway that'll be available for you to go to the modular. Or if you're going to the old gym or Epic, you'll go out the 2-story down here to come from there. If you have any questions, ask the front office or come see me. Hope you all had a great break.